There's so many crazy ways that the Serpent Brotherhood, the collective of the Reptilian, the Greys, the Draconians, are taking control of our human vessel, are siphoning our life force. The main one, the craziest one, is the birth certificate. When we're born in this 3D construct, our parents sign the hour, the day of birth, and then this is like an etheric contract to agree to be in prison, enslaved in this 3D construct, to agree to be siphon our life force. It is highly affecting the sacral chakra. There's also all the childhood vaccine that are affecting our energy body. There is also abductions happening in our dream state around 2 years old, where the Greys, they implant some imprints in our sacral, blocking our life force. And there is some DNA blockage, like the reincarnation code in the DNA that we need to clear. So in this session here, we're going to be clearing all these shadows together. Bring attention to your heart. Visualize a pink torus field pulsating fractal of coherence in the front and the back. Feel the fractal of coherence. Everything is vibrating in harmony, in oneness. You're activating your heart. You're feeling the energical heartbeat in front of your chest. And we're moving to my octahedron temple. It's a 4-sided crystal glass pyramid with another one under reverse. This octahedron is spinning in the ether. Right now it's all pink. Beautiful pink unconscious of energy. We're welcoming my white lion, celestial white lion, holding a golden staff with a blue gemstone in his right hand. He's in the center and we're creating a circle all around. We're here with our light body. And with his golden staff blue gemstone, he's summoning higher dimensional energy, swirling it up in the air, activating blue electric light code that he's sending to you. You're receiving an activation in your sacral. And we are collectively ripping apart the etheric contract of the birth certificate, removing consent to be siphon our life force by the matrix, by the Serpent Brotherhood, by the Reptilians, the Greys, and all other service to self-being. We are now removing the reincarnation codes in your right brain, fixing your DNA. We are removing all the nanotechnology in your belly, in your sacral, linked to the vaccine, the childhood vaccine you receive, all vaccines. There's a tornado of etheric water cleansing everything. Receive it, feel worthy of it. We're flushing everything down. Mother Earth is receiving, recycling our energy. There's some imprints, they look like etheric tattoos linked to the abduction in the dream state at around 2 years old from the Greys. We're removing these imprints, sticking out these tattoos. And the biggest construct is the moon. The dark side of the moon that is projecting the dark ray of energy, the vibrational technology, 4-dimensional technology, tapping into our thoughts, into our consciousness, keeping us down. We are creating a golden egg shield all around our energy body, which is bouncing back these black rays of energy coming from the moon. We're removing consent to be siphoned our life force from the moon. We're removing consent from giving our negative emotion to the moon every full moon. We are disconnecting ourselves from the dark side of the moon. And all the things that we buy, our clothes, the food, the different electronics, all the material things that are coming from corporations are imprint with some psychic attack technologies by the Reptilian Empire, by the Serpent Brotherhood. So we are washing with golden Christ light all your clothes, all your shoes, all your material things, all your electronics. Removing consent, we're rebooting everything into a higher consciousness. And that's it. Bring your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. We're all bowing to each other, acknowledging each other as being of light, light workers, starseeds. It is time to liberate ourselves collectively. Thank you so much for this beautiful session. I bow to you in your journey on earth. Thank you so much.